Hi guys, I'm Karen Cavett and this is HGTV Handmade. Today I'm going to show you a really fun DIY that you can make to hang up in your backyard or on your desk or anywhere that you can hang something and just watch it spin. I need to stop. Okay, I'm gonna stop staring at that. We're gonna get right into the DIY. Let's do it. Literally, you guys, this thing is so mesmerizing. As I was filming, I just have so much footage of it spinning around because I was just sitting there staring at it. I couldn't look away. I would love to know in a comment where you would hang this if you made it for yourself, and if you would do like a rainbow theme or other colors. What do you think? Make sure that you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.